In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear connector waypoints in Draw.io. If your diagram lines are full of awkward kinks or forced bends, this quick trick will reset them to a clean, automatic route. Waypoints are the little anchor points along a connector that you or the software have created during editing. They're useful when you want a very specific path, but over time they can make your diagram look messy or hard to adjust. Clearing them puts the connector back under automatic routing so it flows neatly between shapes. Start by opening your web browser and going to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. Open an existing diagram or create a new blank one. Anything with at least two shapes connected by a line will work for this demonstration. Click the connector you want to tidy up so it is selected. You'll typically see small handles or bends along the line. Those indicate the waypoints that are controlling its path. Clearing these removes the manual points and lets Draw.io reroute the line intelligently. With the connector selected, press Alt plus Shift plus R on your keyboard. On many Mac keyboards, the Alt key is labeled Option, so you can use Option plus Shift plus R. The moment you do this, any manual bends are removed and the connector snaps back to a clean, shortest path between shapes according to the current routing style. If you're working on several lines that need the same fix, select multiple connectors first and use the same shortcut to clear all of their waypoints in one go. If nothing seems to happen, double-check that a connector is actually selected, not just a shape, and make sure your browser tab is in focus so the shortcut is captured. You can always undo with Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z if you want to bring back the previous bends. A quick note on what this command changes. Clearing waypoints doesn't delete the connector or alter its style, color, or arrowheads. It only removes the manual routing points. You can still move shapes afterward and the connector will reflow automatically, which makes future edits much faster. When you're satisfied with the cleaner layout, save your diagram so the changes stick. That's all there is to it. Open Draw.io, select the connector, and use Alt plus Shift plus R to clear waypoints and instantly tidy up your diagram. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.